Ready?
She's like, the first thing you need to do is a 25% water change and put extra salt in it because your salinity is way too low. So we need to do that first. It's at least like 9.5 gallons of water needs to be put in with extra salt. She said to test the water that we're getting ready to put in, and the salinity in the water needs to be at least 1.03 when we're putting it in. She's like, and that'll help bring it
Child
up.
that's an emergency, guys.
Until we get it where it needs to be, we'll just keep adding.
No voice for some reason.
She's like, once that gets up where it needs to be, she said, then we'll worry about the next step. But
that's hilarious.
that we definitely need
It was only at the first minute.
because our
Please subscribe, guys. And EAS Experience, if you heard the Amber Alert, let's make a video for it.
is like way too hot.
And shortly, some locations that will experience
Yes,
flooding include Muncie, Albany, Yorktown, Eaton, Daleville, Gaston, and Ball State University.
It's just a Gaston!
The warned area, between 1 to 2 inches of rain has already fallen.
Sweet!
Flooding is expected.
Wait, it just popped up down there. Few seconds.
Albany, Yorktown, Eaton, Daleville, Gaston, and Ball State University. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 239 and 243. Do not
Flash
drive
flood
into
warning
flood
for
waters.
Gaston.
Turn around.
For Delaware
Do not
County,
drown.
Indiana. Sweet!
Flood warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Delaware, Indiana. Here is a brief forecast for Indiana.
Scotty Williamson live from the parking lot there at Walmart in Devon Springs.
Flash flood warning.
Stay safe there as well as everyone else there.
Center Live continues with Chris Warren and Jackie Jarrett next.
Currently in our area, 77 degrees with a thunderstorm.
First EAS alert of the day. Okay, take it away to Gaston. Muncie, Albany.
Today, thunderstorms. A few storms may be
Ball State
severe. High
University.
81.
Sweet! You subscribe?
Until 9 p.m. Daylight Time. Launch includes the following counties in Indiana: Blackford, Delaware, Grant, Henry, Jay, Madison, and Randolph. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail,
What? We live in Blackford.
rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible
We
warnings.
live in Blackford.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio,
first time
and
it said
television
Red
outlets, or
Blackford.
internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KGY93 in Muncie.
Come on, this
Muncie
is
Forest Service has issued tornado watch number 454.
It's named.
Effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
It is named. That's not good.
Service in northern Indiana. Tornado warning for southeastern Miami County, western Grant County, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Kokomo, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Source: radar is not storm capable of producing a tornado was located over Kokomo, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Spotters have reported a funnel cloud. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sharpsville around 7:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Greentown around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Windfall City and Windfall around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Rigdon around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. Listen to report to the National Weather Service Office in Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties.
Hey.
Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service Office in Indianapolis. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana.